Welcome, Info name is a Samsung Galaxy A51, and today I will show you how to enable the developer options. So to get started, you want to pull down the notification panel and open up Settings, and from here scroll all the way down to About Phone, Software Information, and here you will find Build Number. Tap on the build number 7 times and you will get Developer Mode has been enabled message right here, and you can go back once more. And as you remember, this was the last entry. Now if you can scroll down, there is actually a new one, right, the last one on the bottom, developer options. So when you tap on it, you have access to all the developer options. So you can change certain stuff here. Now I would suggest to not change it randomly if you don't know what it does. Some things may, for instance, reduce your battery life if you enable something that that will, I don't know, require the device to constantly monitor something. Certain things will fill up your memory, like Bluetooth logs if you're using any kind of Bluetooth devices. Other things might actually reset your device, so keep in mind that certain parts of the settings can actually impact the device, so make sure you know what you're changing up. But that is how you would enable it, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.